cookie dough.
Bucket pumpkin cookie.
And a skeleton.
Skeleton.
And a cat.
Oh, bacon sheet. Bacon sheet. One.
Make raw a dough.
The bread of chocolate sheet dough. It's a long taco.
Use your fingers to blast it.
Quench it!
Goku 3!
Question.
Dough acts a motor like that.
Cool dog! Okay, two having cookies. Right in the middle.
Marcha de galleta. Uno, dos, tres.
Go. One, do it.
Cookie coming true.
I just do it tonight. Cookies.
Cookie coming true. Cookie coming true. Cookie coming true. Cookie coming true. Cookies coming true. Oh, I did it.
I got me to do it. I'm ready. In the skeleton. Can't wait to go right up me. Go.
Go to play. Right? Cookie do it ready.
Are you ready to watch the skeleton cookies?
Yeah. Look a little bit ugly.
Look at this.
Wow.
Look ugly now.
Order chocolate sheet dough.
Run around with cookies. With a burrito galleta. Gentle press and clear. No, I did it. But
Hand that boy.
Roger did it.
Teamers.
Roger did it.
With the hand that boy.
Question.
Fire goes into dirt.
I don't know what. Clean dough, knock it to the cookie slices.
Oh my god!
They look juicy like the Halloween.
Oh, this chicken.
Okay.
You have to do it very careful. Yay!
Bake it for 10 minutes.
Cookie ready.
The cool
Picture tickles.
eat your bookie masterpiece. These are a cute bookie cookies.
Question.
This cookie goes to the doctor. I don't know why. Because Pell crummy. Oh, look at the mask, kids. I mean, look at the mask.
Meow, meow, meow.
These are the cutest cookie ever.
They're cookies that baby don't
Great job, mini chef. You made the best Halloween cookies in the world.
Happy Halloween! Feliz Halloween! Thank you for watching, kids. Like, subscribe, watch more videos. But wait, we need to do the double jump. Bye! I know you can.